The HOMEZAY Ice Maker HZB-12A is designed to deliver 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 to 8 minutes, ensuring you always have a fresh supply of ice for your gatherings or daily needs. With the flexibility to produce 2 different ice cube sizes, this machine caters to a variety of uses, from preserving food to complementing your favorite beverages. The self-cleaning feature of this ice maker simplifies maintenance, ensuring your ice remains fresh and the machine stays in optimal condition with minimal effort. Its compact dimensions and portable design, complete with a convenient handle, make it an excellent choice for both home use and on-the-go needs, like camping trips. Operating the HOMEZAY Ice Maker is straightforward thanks to its intuitive touch control panel, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. This ice maker is not only efficient but also stylish, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen or office space without taking up too much room.